Yeah, so as part of the US 89 project, Layton City and UDOT have partnered to add the addition of the Gordon Avenue extension to the project to increase the mobility and the local connectivity of the area to enhance this master plan project that we have going on with the city. It's been in the works for a long time, and we're excited that UDOT and Layton City have partnered to make this a reality for us. So as part of the Layton Forward general plan that was just adopted recently, the concept of town centers was implemented, and those town centers bring convenient access through careful planning to communities where we can have a mixed use of both commercial, retail, residential, but it's really to bring those services closer to the residents and to the community.
Right now we're at the Gordon Avenue extension and future interchange. The road behind me is where Gordon Avenue will connect into Layton City. Gordon interchange in and of itself is about 1.5 miles of new roadway that circles around the new interchange. That's probably about 15,000 tons of our 300,000 ton total of asphalt. We have about 50,000 tons of road base and 50,000 tons of granular borrow in there. That's all separate from the actual interchange itself. We've got most of the subgrade built. We're starting on the utilities through the extension and hoping to pave this fall.